What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Ripping Zone here, and I got a really cool update today. I got a brand new car, bringing it to the channel, and I can't wait for you guys to see this. It's a dream car of mine, and I'm so excited for the future mods and everything that is coming. So stay tuned. Here it is. Challenger RT Shaker, baby. And that Go Mango Orange. Look at those rims. Beautiful. Just got it off the showroom floor. A little bit dirty. Got rained on a little bit the other night, so first time getting wet. Check this out, guys. Driver convenience package and everything else. Got the white gauge clusters that are featured in the Demon with the shaker package. It's awesome. Interior is absolutely amazing. So stay tuned for future videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know some mods you guys are interested in seeing. Alright.